Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today, this box from Fat Quarter Shop finally made it here. Definitely not their fault, but it was one of those things where it was in shipment with USPS and somewhere between Dallas and Nashville, it fell off the map for like 5 days. And I'm like waiting. I've got a couple projects that I'm so excited to get going. And so now it's finally here and I want to show you what I got. All right, guys, so I have talked about this thing in the past. This is just the tiniest little box cutter knife. I keep it in my pocket all the time. It's retractable, so you can pop it out and it can stay out, or the magnet in it pulls it in and out really quickly. So you can just keep it in your pocket and not worry about cutting yourself or your pants or whatever. I carry it with me like a pocket knife. It is always with me. I buy them. They come in a 2-pack. I'll put a link in the description for you guys because someone was asking after one of my last videos. So that's what I like to keep to open things with. It's definitely smaller than like the big box knives that we all used to use. And it does eventually get dull, and then I just swap it out for a new one. Okay, and again, Fat Quarter Shop is usually really good. They always put that paper in there, but I do try to be extra careful anytime I've got fabric on order because I would hate for something to happen and me to damage what's inside. Okay, so this box, yay! So I don't know if you've been watching my channel for long, but for whatever reason, I can never have enough scissors, like ever. And so always what's in my drawer here by the sewing machine are the ones that I hate. And I guess it's because I hate them. They're always the last one I reach for. So I spoiled myself with a new pair of scissors. These are the 8-inch size. So I think that's going to be like a nice kind of medium ground. But I'll get you guys a good picture of these. I love them. I think they're fantastic. And I can't wait to have not my yellow scissors in my drawer. And it was time. This is so sad. I don't know if you use your seam ripper as much as I do, but mine was dull. So time to replace that. In fact, I'm just gonna put it in there right now because I know I'm gonna want it. I just keep it in this little cup right next to my station. Okay. And the sew sampler that we did last month had the Creative Grids mini diamond. And I am like so in love with that style of piecing right now. I think I have watched every Kristen Mosler video that is on YouTube, and I cannot wait to do some additional kind of diamond piecing. It's a little bit more, I mean, I guess I do it with traditional fabrics. It won't be more modern, but it's kind of a more modern technique than some of the traditional kind of square and half square triangles that I usually end up doing. So, let me I won't use my new seam ripper. I think that may be part of the reason my old one is dull, is because I usually reach for it to help me open it. So this ruler is really pretty large. The other one that we had, I think, was only 4.5 inches from the top to the bottom, and this one's going to be quite a bit longer. You can cut up to 8.5 inch diamonds with it. And I'm really excited. I kind of think I know what pattern I want to do with it, but if you've got any that you think we ought to give a test out, you should let me know because I'm open. Need a trash can over here. All right, and then I ordered some more of these. I have a project that I want to share with you guys, and I don't know if you do this, but sometimes I have a tendency to over order, and so I was trying to kind of scale things back. And of course, I didn't read the entire pattern first, and for this pattern, I needed 2 of these half square triangles on a roll. So now I've got these, and we'll get that video finished up and hopefully posted soon. But it's hard when you're starting a quilt project and then you switch gears. In fact, that's why this one even happened. I used to start a project, sew it all the way to completion, bind it, put it away, and I was done. But right now I have like, this one's halfway done, and this one's halfway done, and this one's halfway done. And so it's like an explosion in my craft room all the time. Okay. And the last thing I have in here, I just picked up a little bit of yardage. These are 2 of the fabrics that were in, oh gosh, it's Fig Tree's eyelet collection. So we had that coupon for the discount on the eyelet this month. and I just picked up a couple extra colors. So I have the bubble gum that came as part of the quilting kit, but I didn't use it because I ended up using the teal that I purchased. I have a little bit of the teal left, and I thought that the three yellow, I think this is called cantaloupe, and this green would look really nice with those. So I will get you guys some close up, but it's just the eyelets in those three fabrics, and I just grabbed a 1/2 yard of each because I'm trying not to order so much fabric all the time. And then I kind of ordered this. I think this one's called lemon, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. All right, so that's what I got in this box. Thanks for coming along with me. I really do enjoy getting to share with you what I'm doing in my sewing room. If you like these unboxing videos or any of my tutorials, please hit that like and subscribe. It helps me out so much. And until then, I will see you guys next time. And just for size comparison, this is the mini diamond right next to this full size one that I just ordered.